match my hands and do what I do. Last evening, Cousin Peter came. Last evening, Cousin Peter came. Last evening, Cousin Peter came, just to say that he was here. He wiped his feet upon the mat. He wiped his feet upon the mat. He wiped his feet upon the mat, just to say that he was here. He hung his hat upon a peg. He hung his hat upon a peg. He hung his hat upon a peg, just to say that he was here. He played he was a great big bear. He played he was a great big bear. He played he was a great big bear, just to say that he was here. He picked me up into the air. He picked me up into the air. He picked me up into the air, just to say that he was here. He made a bow and said goodbye. He made a bow and said goodbye. He made a bow and said goodbye, just to say that he was here. I'm going to play my instrument, and you are going to sing the song. So, last evening, so you're singing first. Last evening, Cousin Peter came, and here you go. Last evening, he wiped his feet. He wiped his feet up. He hung his hat upon a peg. He played he was a great big bear. He played he was. He picked me up into the air. He picked me up. But soon it was time for him to go, so he made a bow and said goodbye. He made a bow and said goodbye. Thank you for singing with me. Now go teach that song and the motions to someone else. Keep making music.